of dark and bright beam in her aspect, and her eyes thus melt to the tender light which heaven to God they denies. One shade the more, one way the less,
and having paired the nameless grace which waves in every raven tress, or sloth delights and o'er her face were thoughts certainly sweet express. How pure, how dear the dwelling place, and on the cheek and other brow, so soft, so calm and delicate, and smiles that please the tinsel, but tell